Hi everyone, my name is Caleb Badebe, and the topic for my research was, does a frequent intake of alcohol have an influence on a student's punctuality at school? From the introduction, you can see that alcohol consumption among students is generally viewed as a social important topic and it's a reason of concern among many parents and school administrators. So alcohol intake has a lot of effect on individuals in every aspect of their lives. And then the research talks about harmful alcohol use on campus has adverse effect on young people at the university. And then excess intake also has the negative influence on students' academic performance. So the research question here was that if frequent intake of alcohol have influence on student punctuality at school, and its association was the frequency of alcohol consumption associated with the students' absenteeism, which is a categorical to a categorical. Yes. And the samples or data sets were taken from the National Epidemiologic Survey on Alcohol and Related Conditions. The sample was randomly selected and inside is about 43,093. So the measures were the absenteeism variables were measured using two labels, which was a yes or no. Frequency was measured from 1 to 10, with 1 indicating the time per week and 2 times per week till 10, which means 10 times per week. Then we move on to the uh, to the to the univariate graph. So from here, you see that about 25.79 of the respondents are high frequent drinkers, and that they are high frequent, they drink more, and the 70% they don't really drink like that. And then from response from abstinence, whether they absent themselves from school, we could see that most people don't absent themselves from school, because from here it says about 36.25% responded no and 63.75 responded yes. Then we go to the bivariate graph. See the frequency of alcohol consumption by student absenteeism. You could see that for the high frequency, you could see that the the more yes, we see that those who said yes, those who drink more alcohol, they are high, and but we see that most of them don't absent themselves from school. But those who are also not frequent drinkers too, they also don't absent themselves from school. Yes, but we see that those who drink more absent themselves more from school. Yes. And then from the result from the bivariate graph, we see that the response in the bar graph, about 32.6 responded yes to absenteeism, was 22.3 responded no to absenteeism. For not, about 67.4 responded yes to absenteeism, whilst responded no. It can be concluded that the drinker responded more yes than no to absenteeism. So in testing the dependency for the association outlined earlier, a chi-square test showed that the association between frequency of alcohol consumption and student absenteeism in school. So the results from the chi-square is found below. That's what we can see. You can see here. You can see here. Now let's move on to the discussion. So the research concluded that there is association between frequency of alcohol consumption and student absenteeism in school. There could also be a possibility of type 1 error occurring, since we rejected the fact that their associations were independent when it could be true. And then we learned that from the research that a higher percentage of higher frequent drinkers seem to be absent themselves from school most times, and this implies that school should pay particular attention to students who absent themselves from school and to know the root cause of their acts. Thank you.